and it works for any product or service. You just supply the URL. Yep, you heard that correctly. We've simplified the entire process of writing more here, and if you're an affiliate marketer, SEO marketer, blogger, online marketer, and you're finally ready to make money with automated AI content, and you are on the right page. Because on this page, I'm going to share with you our new and most advanced platform that writes, optimizes, and posts profit-producing product reviews from any URL for 4 of the most profitable keyword types in 90 seconds or less, so that you can get page 1 rankings and earn affiliate commissions for the most profitable and easiest keywords known to marketers. And it works for any product or service. You just supply the URL. Yep, you heard that correctly. We've simplified the entire process of writing, optimizing, and posting review content into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to log into our web-based app and connect your site. This process will literally take you 2 seconds. You simply log into our web-based app, which works with any computer or browser. You connect your site to allow for automatic posting, and that's it. From here, our app will be nearly ready to do all the work for you. Step 2 is to create a new campaign and supply our app with the information of the product or service you'd like for it to write and optimize a review for. This is where the magic happens, and this only takes you about 2 to 3 minutes to complete. In this step, you're literally just telling our app what you'd like for it to do for you. You'll be selecting which type of review article you want. It can be a regular review article, an X versus Y comparison review article, or dummies content, etc. And then you just select your language, how long you want your article to be, and depending on which package you purchase, it can be between 500 to 1800 words. You enter your primary and secondary keywords that you want our app to optimize for, your affiliate links, and the URLs that you'd like our app to write your review about, and much, much more. And in step number 3, you just hit create post and watch our AI engine write, optimize, and post a perfectly human-like product review 100% automatically. From here, all you have to do is sit back and watch our AI work its magic. It will literally do everything for you. It's going to write a 100% unique and perfectly readable product review for the exact product or service that you specify. It will then optimize that content, format that content, and finally, when you're ready, it will post that content for you with your affiliate link added automatically. It doesn't get any better than that, right? And want to know the best part? Going through all 3 steps above will take you no more than 5 minutes to complete. It literally requires 0 work on your part. You're just telling our software what you'd like it to do for you. You'll never have to write or post product reviews manually ever again. You're about to see one of the most powerful and exciting products that we've created all year. A product that also has the potential to put an insane amount of profit in your pocket by leveraging one of the most profitable strategies that marketers have been using for decades. We have finally cracked the code. Profitable product reviews written entirely by AI. Yes, you heard that correctly. We have finally cracked the code to combine 2 of the most powerful and profitable strategies known to online marketers in the last year. Product reviews combined with artificial intelligence, and combined with my most favorite and most profitable keyword types that we've been profiting from for years. I'm talking about AI content with a profit-driven purpose, because what good is AI content if it's not making you money, right? We all know that creating product niche sites has been and continues to be one of the most profitable strategies for countless online marketers, right? And on this page, we're going to show you how you can have our AI plugin write, optimize, and post all of your product reviews for you for any niche, any product, or any service without you doing a single thing except providing a URL. And you'll be able to see how it'll take you less than 2 minutes to get it all set up. I'm talking about 100% unique product reviews that will give you the power to dominate your niche, get faster rankings, get more traffic, make more profit, and spend more time enjoying your hard-earned money. Because let's face it, profiting from product reviews is still king. And this is just as true today as it was 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, even 30 years ago. Online marketers have been profiting from product reviews for decades now. And even today, it continues to be one of the main strategies that all affiliate marketers use to get targeted traffic in a matter of days, start to build up loyal subscribers, generate affiliate commissions at record speed, get easier and faster rankings, provide value, build up trust, build a brand, and much, much more. In fact, being able to publish quality product reviews is more profitable now than it has ever been. With everyone being able to quickly access any and all content today on demand, There will always be people pulling out their phones to search for reviews on a product or service before buying. However, actually creating product reviews is a huge pain in the ass, right? Let's be honest here. Most of us avoid creating product reviews because it's a huge pain in the ass, even though we know how profitable they are. Trust me, I know from first-hand experience. And if you've been online for any amount of time, you've probably experienced some of this yourself. You know, things like spending endless hours in front of the computer doing research if you want to profit from a product or service that you know nothing about. Who really wants to do this? Paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars to an article writer to write your reviews for you. Who really has that kind of budget when starting out? Having a content writer disappear on you after you already paid them? This one really sucks and happens way too often. However, today I have some great news for you. We have changed the way that you profit from product reviews forever and made it easier for everyone to get more traffic rankings and make more profit. You will now be able to have unique, perfectly readable, human-like product reviews written, optimized, and posted for you at the push of a button. And for 4 of the most profitable keyword types. Yep, I'm talking about a complete artificially intelligent content creation engine that will write 100% unique product reviews for you every single time. And you'll be able to choose from 4 of the most profitable types of review keywords. The first one is our standard product reviews. This is your regular product reviews that are written, optimized, and posted for one particular product and optimized for product name review and product name reviews. Our comparison product reviews. This is where there are 2 or more competing products and the customer base needs some help to figure out which product to purchase. This style of product review is extremely profitable and has a ton of traffic potential. Some examples of this would be something like Xbox versus PlayStation or Apple Watch versus Samsung Watch. How-to keywords. This is yet another very profitable and huge keyword that usually leads someone down the buying process. They're looking for a solution to a problem, and if you present them with a product or service that solves that problem, you've got a ton of commissions in your pocket. For dummies, review keywords. This is a stealth type of keyword that not many people know about, but has a ton of traffic potential as well. A perfect example of this would be someone who searches for Forex trading for dummies or cryptocurrency for dummies or pretty much any subject that someone wants to learn more about and types in for dummies instead of how-to keywords. They're essentially looking for the same solution as how-to keywords, just using a different type of keyword. Talk about awesome, right? Done for you AI content for 4 of the most profitable keyword types used by all the top niche site marketers. It's like having 4 different personal content writers writing for you for any niche, any product, or any service at any time for pennies of what it'll cost you to use a human writer, and faster than any human can ever write, guaranteed. You'll be able to have an entire perfectly readable product review niche site running on complete autopilot for you with our Quillaio web app. And to make things even better, you will not be able to tell the difference between human written content and content written by our AI writer. I know it still sounds unbelievable, but it's true. And all you have to do is supply the URLs of the product or services you'd like our engine to write a review about, choose your language, choose the number of words, and that's it. And to make things even easier, you will not be able to tell the difference between human written content and content written by our AI writer. Allow me to introduce you to Quillaio. Quillaio works for any affiliate network, any product, or any service. ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, Thrivecart, PayKickstart, private affiliate programs, literally anything. If you can supply Quillaio with a URL about the product or service, it will write a perfectly readable review for you. And now it's time to cut to the chase. How much is it to get access to this futuristic piece of equipment? And trust us, we struggled with this as well. Why? Well, because at first we couldn't really believe what we have created. Every time the engine writes, optimizes, and posts another review for us, it continues to wow us. The quality of the review, the optimization, and the automatic posting is truly that good. This is probably how you're feeling right now as well. Is it really possible to have a machine run my entire product review niche sites for me? And I think that we've hopefully answered that question and have proven to you that yes, it is possible and we have done it. With that in mind, we were truly considering taking this directly to the mass public market and charging a hefty monthly recurring fee for it. We know how big the product review niche is, how much it's lacking for a real reliable product, and how valuable a tool like it is to the marketplace. So when we tell you that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to secure access to Quillaio for this insane pre-launch discount, we truly mean it. Quillaio is not even available to be purchased outside of this page. Heck, this is the first time anyone is ever hearing about this secret weapon that we've developed. This is why we're offering it at such a tremendous value. And trust me, you may never see it again offered at this price with this much value and the amazing bonuses we've mentioned on this page ever again.